Hi guys, I'm only knocking off now. Emsebenzini, I'm heading to Mpumalanga for crust. So guys, I will see you there. I had to start at work, and pangele ngqibe and knock off at the right time. Now it's 4 p.m. right on the dot. Let's go, baby. Mpumalanga, here I come. See you. Good morning, Botadewethu. It's another day apha eForecast, guys. Isaga yaphezolo sisi ndisuka suke late mos ndendaphangela ndithi ndiyakhumbula bendiphuma emsebenzini. Ndafuna ke ilocation ndalungisa izinto. Guys, you won't believe I left the-Free State baby around 5:45 or something. Xa ndijonga i-GPS indihambisa ngenye i-gravel road. Ndiqonda uba let me just continue ngo-N3 ndiyodlula eWarden ndidlule eFrede. Xa ndifika eFrede, here I am, ndifuna ukunavigeyitha ndiye Forecast, guys. Niyazi uba ndahamba dluphu ndangena gravel road, guys. Imagine ngomaxesha sekungo-7 sekungo-7:30. I was like no. In fact ndithe sendiqhubela ngale gravel road, xa ndijonga i-GPS yam ithi ndina 1 hour 10 minutes. Ndamajina ispeedometer sam sendibethe phaa ko-20:30. Ndathi ndizawufika nikazi ndihamba ngo-20:30 kuthiwa ndine-hour. Yazi guys, ndabe ndicinga uba ndibuyele umva noba ndithini. Yazi guys, intliziyo yam yangavumi uba ndiqhubeleke. And then I was like, you know what, let me just go back ndibone uba ndenza njani. Then I called this guy, i-boyfriend kamngani kuba ngowalapha eFrede. And then I was like, Pinchi, just tell me what is going on, ndenze kanjani, how should I go about this. Hayi naye wandijongela GPS wathi hayi Sikhokho, le ndlela oyithathile le hayi yona i-right kuba lokhu i-gravel road, but mna ndihamba nge-private, number 1, and number 2 ndizawuba i-target for abantu abafuna ukumosha, must I understand, and I can't even baleka, run away from whatever. I'm good with accelerator, but in this situation I'll be just an easy target. What if I lose a network in the process? Gravel road, guys, you won't believe, but I had to go back ndabuyela back to Friday. I think after 20 minutes of driving in the gravel road, and then my instincts and just said, no girl, I'll go safe up, and that I went to Freight and I navigated to Standerton. When I got to Standerton and I navigated to Forecast, guys, no ban figure up and go 9:35 p.m. if not 9:45. I met with Ulungi, guys. It's so good up on Lele Corner. What is it called? Mountain View or something. Don't Lodge. Yeah, it's very nice. Just a nice place. Cool, warm electric blankets and jonga. Amanzi ayatshisa kumnandi, I'm comfortable. So I'm just sleeping mhlambe for 1 or 2 more hours and relax and be breakfast, ndihlambe, and then I gotta prepare my presentation for the day. Igala dinner, it's around 7 p.m. Not 7 p.m. ne? No, 5 p.m. actually. Yeah. So guys, see you soon. Let me rest. Zonke umuntu sisi izodimana khona. Mali yandihlambile nemali yandivukile ndahlamba sisi. So ndizale ndi-makeup artist banixesha ngoku, I think kusemva ko-12 uMaliya okondilele okondiphupha sisi ndiphupha. Yeah man, so ndivukile ndahlamba sendityile. So ngoku ndizawulungisa the topics endizabe ndithetha ngazo phaa kulaa galadini. So ndithe make ndiphume kancinci ndibethwe ngumoya. Ndikwenye nje lodge nje entle mos ndinixelela ndithi pholile ke sisi, akho kwasiphithiphithi, akutatazelwa, kupholiwe Maliya. So thou shall wait. Sobonane eventini.
sigonile nje nadokotela idrama yakhe. Eyami drama.
Bank cards. You don't even know the pin banks, eh?
Over the phone. If you don't just talk about kind of shit. Now, bro, this is
to call me on the phone, yeah. You don't come around to see me in the week. You don't have a chance to call me on the phone, yeah. My Friday night, yes I know I'm not ready for you.
Be a responsible woman in your working life, in your personal life, in your relationship. bakho in parenting, take responsibility. Why can you blame her when you blame her? For once, just stand and take responsibility.
Oh, hallelujah.
Self-discipline versus selfishness. Fumase bangobo apha kukhona iplate apha. Kusakhona abantu abezayo. Kukhona lo ayigobelanga, inhlizwende, phethwe inhlizwende. Yena thethe nje uhlele funa i-take away, thathela kuyo. Akabuzwanya bekuzobethile na. That's what described by isimilo sakho sinjani. Uyabacingela abanye abantu wena bakuthathela kuwe. Understand? How do you deal with anger? How do you express your emotions? How do you even communicate? Into communicate uyabetha nje uyaluma. Khona amantombazana alumayo, afuna uxelelwa bayarong. Akulapho sisi. Khona lamadoda abethayo umuntu ucaphuka uyabetha yena. Bona iphathele kaphakoni. Angry, wathatha amatye, wafaka efrijini, wathatha i-maize meal, wayimixa ne-omo. Baba buhlanyeni benzayo sisi, nithatha i-oros uyimise nejiki. That's what you do. Don't be embarrassed. Come out, you do these things. Now be self-aware, unjani xa ucaphukile. Uba umuntu wakho uyacaphukisa, you walk out. Uba ifumene imba yakho ucaphukisa, you walk out. Self-management. But to you, into ethile ndiyenzile ikuvise ebuhlungu. Therefore, I must apologize and acknowledge your feelings. So it's not always about you when you come emthweni wenza izinto ezikhorayi. It's about that person uba utheni xa utsho laa nto. Doesn't matter how stupid it is phambi kwamehlo akho, but kuye ibalulekile. Respect, consider other people's feelings. Important things. Being the phenomenal woman means you have the following: self-love. Give yourself time, but stand. Betuna nabona ndige go through things. Ujuliba nokuyapi, ukuzilibe noma xa emkwele kwasibe uthanda APTZ. Because I was tired, ndwaziliba nokuthanda ntoni. The way nxake ngakhona to end up uzilibala. Love yourself and accept yourself. Ngangendlela oyiyo. Wena sigulo, wena situation okuhlala nabanye khona abanye. Your personality, your character, kuba imbi ibumbe ungahambi nayo awuzuba nabangani. You understand? Now, before I come there, xa ndizothi awunabangani. Ndithi ungubani, uthanda ntoni, be who you are and you're fake for the sake of belonging. Embrace your womanhood. Prioritize the following: self-confidence, high self-esteem. Self-esteem is all about how we appreciate or maybe perceive and value ourselves. These are the benefits, these are the beliefs and opinions about ourselves. Let do we have a low self-esteem or a high self-esteem? I'm intelligent, I deserve happiness, I'm good enough, I can make my own decisions responsibly so. Show love and kindness to yourself. Now, what causes low self-esteem? It goes to self-acceptance. You have to start accepting who you are, be comfortable about your body, be comfortable with living. Be comfortable about living with disability. Be comfortable. And I don't think divorce. That guy said, can I have a cheating? What do I do? Gulisha the ntombazana Now those things, they are meant to lock your mind. Don't ever allow, especially a man, whether to say things as negative. Don't ever take that and put it to your mind, because it's meant to go up here and lock your mind. And from there, you never ever function again. You'll never ever be able to do anything that you believe you can do, because you were once told by Mrs. Park when you cannot be a wife, when I will first of all. But he still tells Ndobana, hey, when you're not able to women. Now, when sokushintshile la. Guys, I don't know if you've ever have friends about leso simo. They've already internalized everything that has been said about them. They've internalized everything and they believe that they are losers because their boyfriends or partners or husbands have told them so. Fumanise uba asakwazi ukwenza abantu, akwazi uku-enjoya zi-drinks, akwazi ukuyewina for ice cream, uhlele etatazela because he lives to please somebody else who doesn't even appreciate them. Now, emotional abuse is more damaging to a person's value because the next thing you start to feel like, prioritize the following: assertiveness. Do not walk away when negative things are said about you in your presence. In that way, you are protecting your image, your dignity, and also protecting your power. Business speakers say, no, don't go down to their level. What is not what you. It's with my image. I'll go down to their level. I'll even go underneath. I'll even go underground to that level. Me, I'll go to that level because of China. Was put high fast. Guys, guys, introverts because you can't be an introvert and be able to say no. Yeah. Guys, he told me put in his pieces and his trust and put doing him seven in the pharmacies. This other friend, my friend, most of them compose. Stand your ground and I'll intimidate him to see but be bold. Who's mad? Tata is dead. Go back home. Have a clear request. Say direct statements. Some people are even ashamed to request what is due to them. To quality man. The man is saying, "We Friday." And I when you we're all. Head on Johnny Sharp, Jomaman, to send a link pictures next Friday, and by Friday we get the money.
Yes. Yes.
I'm going to develop usisizuni ezingaphambili nesurprise for yena zintwanyana encinane ozokwazi uba uyibeke noma setla kombhede noma isebathroom noma yephi nje ose-ofisini. Its certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Malia Lungile Hlatshwayo for a successful event held in Florida on the 27th of August 2022 and the victory. Goodbye.